In this video we will take a look at the new cutout features from ElementsCAD 2025. In the configuration cabinet tab we will go to cutout, and here I can define now cutouts, and for example I can define a section-based cutout for the left side, and I have the orientation side. And now I want to make a dimension with 150 millimeters to 80 millimeters, and now I can change the distance. And here you see already the preview, and interesting is that we can make this procedural class based, so all items that have the name side, like middle side, will have as well the cutout here. So when I confirm is okay, we will take a look what has happened, and here we see the new result. Let's go to another example, because when I double click again and go to the next cutout, here we want to make a cutout as well to the cabinet, but now we make a cutout for the lower bottom. And as we have seen already, we can make this cutouts class based for all bottoms, upper bottom or lower bottom, and we can change here as well the size again. But what we can do as well is we can make here a rounding. So we make here 40 millimeters for the left top, right top, and everywhere 40 millimeters. So we have something like a circle now. And when we confirm with OK again, then we see that the new cutout took place as well here. So this is a very powerful option that we can realize here, but we will go deeper now, and we will make an example for the doors. And here we have the option that we make a cutout. First we create it for the yes, we select the door plane, and now we can make here some kind of notch for the door, and now I can do the same for the other door. And yes, and I confirm again, and what we see here now is that we generated here a cutout for the door. So of course we can change the distance to the body, etc. This is everything very easy, but okay, the left door we have to control. Okay, I need to make a new cutout, of course, and make the other door. So, and now I have both cutouts. Okay, then I go to the front section, because now I can open the doors, so I see the doors or what's happening better. I make 90 degrees opening, so I can see here everything inside. And what we do now is that we go again in the cutout section, and now we will make a standalone part. So this can be the class of the let's take a look of the lower bottom, and this is here again the lower bottom, And now we need a reference point, and therefore I choose the box, and I can choose the left or the right box because we have two boxes here. And the idea is that we have everything designed here parametric and relative, so when the dimensions change, everything will change as well. Okay. The orientation is from top. Never mind the German words, because I don't have a complete English installation here, because Vectorworks is German, but this will work fine with your installation. So now I want to make a distance here from the right side with let's say 100 millimeters. And here I want to make as well in the Y direction with 200 millimeters, and from the back side 100 millimeters. Okay. And now I want to make a height of 400 millimeters, and here we make 380 millimeters. So now we can see the result what we have now. Okay, we will go back again in the cutouts section. So we started here from the beginning and here from the end, and so I take here as well the beginning, and I insert 380 millimeters from the bottom. So now I have here a panel. This can be everything, but we can as well make a rounding. But the interesting thing is that it's parametric and it's part of the intelligent object. So this is very powerful, and we can make here a rounding. Yes, and here we are. So I can duplicate this item with the plus, and now I make, for example, 600 and 580. And now when we change the dimension, let's say the width has only 600 or 750 millimeters, then it behaves correct because it's based on the middle box, and therefore it has this correct reference point. Alternatively, we can make here as well a beveling, and I define here the values, and then you see the new result. But of course you can combine the cutouts. So when you have a cutout, and let's change the position and make a larger distance with 300 millimeters, and here we have 100 millimeters, and now I want a further cutout, and here I don't have any radius, and now I can change the position and subtract, let's say, 50 millimeters, and so here we have then the new contour there. When I change the size, 120, and the distance only 80, so we have the new result now. But you're not only limited to cutouts, you can make as well some kind of a lifting hole. This is an example. I go back to 0 radius, and I make a distance here with 200, so I have a better distance here. and this is my cutout, and I duplicate this cutout, and now I want to make a thickness, let's say 5 millimeters everywhere. And for this item we need again a standalone part, a physical standalone part. So I click OK, and I see the current result, and we see already that there was generated something, but now we want to go through the complete cabinet with this lifting hole. So I go back again in the cabinet, and for this feature I need again the box. So I go to the inner side, or here I have to choose the lower button again, and here a bottom, and now I change the thickness here, so I can generate it outside, and now here we are, and we have now the complete parametric lifting hole here.